paper airplane that flies very high. So first you need a piece of paper. Take the paper, you fold it in half, and I'll show you after I do it. So, just like this. Just like it. Okay, now just open it back up like this. One side, like that. And the other side, just like that. Okay, so keep that way. And now you're just gonna shove in this wall. You're just gonna actually hold it like this, just like that. And do the same thing on the other side. Okay, sorry. Just like this. Fold the paper in half. Just like this. And just fold it in half. And what you're gonna actually do, you're just gonna open your file up like that. Okay? Just like that. So it was folded like this. And then same thing on the other. Just like this. Now, since it's like this, both sides are folded, there's this tip right here, you hold it and your airplane is complete. Let me show you how it will fly. So ready? See that? That is today's video. Thank you. Please subscribe and like.